Okay, this is the update on the Harbor Freight 750 watt inverter. I got this for like $31 and some change with the 25% off coupon, so that I could just get by for right now until I get my my other 2000 watt inverter. But yeah, I got that to run this fridge to Kenmore, and I plugged it up yesterday and it didn't even didn't run it, and it's running 6.5 amps. So I pulled out that math calculator, and it was saying like 749 for 115 volts, and then it said at 120 volts it would be 780. But anyways, I had to change that to this inverter. This is the 1000 watt continuous Harbor Freight Centec. Plug that in, and that one ran like a champ. The fan kicks on every once in a while. It's pretty quiet. The fan's a little loud when it kicks on, but you know, it's out here in the garage just to get me by until I get the other inverter. So I'll just have this as a backup. But it's not hot. Cables are not hot. And I had to pay $60 for this one, 61 something. But yeah, I ran this into that living room over there. And then I ran that right into there for the fridge. And you can see it right there. It comes in, comes up here. And I got it on the timer. So it comes on at 6 in the morning and goes off at 6 at night. And then it'll turn the fridge off all night because nobody's in it, and then it keeps everything nice and cold. So yeah, this thing's running really good. Today I'm going to give it the test. I'll give it the overnighter test. Well, all day test, because at 6 it's going to go off. But yeah, I got that inverter running my TV. Let's see how I click this on to turn the TV on. That way it doesn't absorb a little power off my 2 batteries I got there. But you'll see here my TV powers up on that 1000 watt inverter. So no buzzing sounds, nothing. Sounds good. And that's an antenna. Getting 120 channels off my antenna. It's not cable, antenna. See, and I got the wires coming in right here. It's a little messed up, a little messy, but once I get a bigger TV, it'll cover all that up. You know, come out to here, that bigger TV. Then I'll get rid of all that once I get the new inverter and all that. This is all just temporary stuff. But this little inverter runs that little fan right there to keep it cool. and it runs this modem for the internet. That's all it's for, is internet. And yeah, you could see, I don't know if you can see it back there, but yeah, this is my internet, and this is my antenna, and this is power that I had going in the garage off the grid power. I had it all in here, so once I get that new TV, it'll be all hidden. And then all this will go once I get the inverter. But just wanted to let you guys know, 6.5 amps won't run on the 750 watt Harbor Freight, but the 1000 watts will. Yeah, the 1000 watt inverter will do it. And the 25% discount puts you right about 61 something. Alright.